The future of work with Microsoft 365's Copilot. Hello everyone, welcome to Anna Videos. Introduction. The rise of AI in the workplace. The rapid evolution of AI and its increasing influence on everyday life. The shift towards automation and efficiency in the workplace. How Microsoft 365 Copilot is at the forefront of this transformation. The power of Copilot. Streamlining your workflow. Automating repetitive tasks. From scheduling meetings to generating reports, Copilot streamlines mundane processes. Enhancing creativity and productivity. Copilot's AI capabilities assist with brainstorming, writing, and even design. Personalized assistance. Copilot learns your work patterns and adapts to your individual needs, making it a truly personal assistant. Copilot in action, real-world examples, case studies. Highlight successful implementations of Copilot in various industries and roles. User testimonials. Share insights from professionals who have experienced the benefits of Copilot firsthand. Demonstrations show practical examples of Copilot's functionalities, demonstrating its ease of use and potential impact. Beyond automation, the future of collaboration. Enhanced team communication. Copilot facilitates seamless collaboration by summarizing meetings, generating notes, and even translating languages. Knowledge sharing. Copilot helps organize and access relevant information, fostering a culture of knowledge sharing within organizations. The future of work. Explore the broader implications of AI-powered tools like Copilot on the future of work and its impact on job roles. The call to action. Embracing the AI revolution, emphasize the importance of adapting to the evolving landscape of work. Encourage viewers to explore Microsoft 365 Copilot and its potential benefits. Promote the resources and support available to help users get started with Copilot. Okay everyone, today, this much. We will meet on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe Anna Videos for more videos and tips. Thank you.